Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting to a stable Wi-Fi and confirming at least 100 MB free storage so the update can download. Once done, open Settings and tap Apps, then locate Google Play Store in the list. This lets you manage its permissions and cache. You do this because corrupted cache or restricted network access often blocks updates. By verifying these prerequisites now, you avoid interruptions during the actual update process and speed up any required troubleshooting. You stop the Play Store to reset background tasks, then clear cache to remove stale files and clear data only if persistent errors remain. These steps remove corruption that blocks updates. Next, open Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings About, and check the Play Store version. You tap the Play Store version line because the system will attempt to update to the latest release. This manual trigger is faster than waiting for auto updates and reveals any immediate errors. You accept the update when prompted and let it install, then restart your Galaxy J2 to finalize system changes. Rebooting clears transient locks. If the update fails, remove and re-add your Google account and ensure Google Play Services is up to date, because Account Sync or Play Services issues commonly block store updates. Once done, open Play Store and update an app to confirm success. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.